Good morning and happy Wednesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends. So let's go ahead and do our recitation. Remember, for very first thing is the title and the author. Your hands are either hmm at your sides, in your pockets, or behind your backs. Don't forget, friends, that for this month we are looking and listening for variation in our voices. So that means when you are doing your recitation, that you add some emphasis into the words, breathe some life into those words, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. The Swing by Robert Louis Stevenson. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall, till I can see so wide, river and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. All right, so I hope you noticed how I kind of fluctuated the tone in my voice, and that's what we're looking for this this recitation. Okay, all right, friends. So let's go ahead and start our morning meeting. We've got a couple of different things we're going to do today. All right, and don't worry, I'll pick that up later. So, the very first thing we have to do is pick a student of the day. So, we know that yesterday, student of the day was Ruby. Let's see who it will be today. Hmm. So, today's student of the day is Corwin Brooks. Come on down, Corwin. Now, if Corwin were here, the very first thing Corwin would do is turn the clock to morning because we do not come to school at night. And then Corwin would write her first and last name. But because Corwin isn't here, Mrs. Harrow will do that for her. Corwin. Corwin Brooks. All right, and then Mrs. Harrow would give Corwin her Student of the Day sticker and give Corwin a pointer and say, all right, young lady, you are on. And Corwin would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? April. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means that today is Wednesday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And friends, how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And It looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. And let's go ahead and do our A, B, C, D pattern, beginning with rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon, rectangle, square. Very, very good. So let's go ahead and put our number date. And then let's help Corwin with the letters in the month. Very, very first letter is a capital A, P, R, Danilian I, Danilian L. And then we're going to finger space. And what two digits are we writing today? We are writing a 1 and a 4. And a 1 and a 4 makes what number? Correct, 14, followed by a, comma number. No, sillies, it is a space. And let's go ahead and do the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and read today's date with Corwin. So today's date is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 149 days, what would today be? Well, if we are counting, say we start at 147, 148, 149, 150. All right, so let's go ahead and draw out. First things first. One great big bundle of 100s, followed by Mr. Tens. All right, so 110, 120, 130, 140, and now we need Mrs. Ones. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149. There are no more Mrs. Ones. And we haven't finished counting, so what do I do? Oh, yeah, okay, you're right. I got to put all of Mrs. Ones back. And then that means I have to draw another Mr. 10. So if I had, so far, how many Mr. 10s do I have? 10, 20, 30, 40. So I got to draw one more. 40, 50. All right, so now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school. Graph. All right, so looking at our days in school graph, in our 100s column, I am going to write a 1. And how about in Mr. 10's column? So let's see. We have 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 equals what? 5. So we're going to write a 5 in Mr. 10's column. You're going to write a 5. And what about in Mrs. One's column? Well, we don't have any Mrs. Ones, so that will be 0. All right, so now let's go ahead and see. Let's see if our days in school tag matches our graph. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 5 Mr. 10s? And do we have 0 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 150. Wow, that is a whole lot of days, my friends. All right, it is time for our coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. And the very, very first coin we have is the nickel. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. And when we count nickels, we count them by 5. The second coin we have is a penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count them by ones. So we're going to start off with our pennies, our nickels, because our nickels are worth more. When we switch coins, I will hold it up to show you that we need to switch counting. All right, so here we go. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 cents. So let's go ahead and write 18 cents in our coin cup. And friends, do not forget the cent sign. So very important. If you just write 18, friends, that would be incorrect because it isn't 18, it's 18 cents. Now let's go ahead and see if the coins we have on our morning board matches our coin cup. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ding, 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 ding. So the coins on our morning meeting board, the coins in our cup match. Perfect. All right, friends, it is now time for our mystery bag. Dud, dud, dud. So today we are going to do something different with our mystery bag. Okay, so let me bring our camera over here really quickly. Okay, and I want you to see, I have some items here. Okay, so I have a book that it is called Be a Friend, and this book is selling for 7 cents. Then I have, see, I have to be very careful here. Then I have a lovely pencil for 3 cents. So this lovely pencil is going for 3 cents. All right, trying to get this to stand. Then I have this awesome looking Expo marker going for 4 cents. And then finally, we have this cool orange ruler for 5 cents. Okay, so those are the items that are up for sale today. Okay, so I am going to read to you some clues. And I want you to see if you can guess what I have in my mystery bag. Okay, so listen to my clues. All right, so today, friends, so I'm going to put this down so that you can see. Okay, so today I put 2 things in my mystery bag. Okay, the cost of the 2 things is 10 cents. That means it equals 10 cents. The 2 things are not the same. Okay, so I bought 2 items today, and they are worth, if I buy both of them, they will cost 10 cents. The 2 things are not the same. Okay, so Corwin, you are our student of the day. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to see if you can figure out what two items that are here are in my mystery bag. So listen again. So today I put two of these items. So two of them are in here. And the cost of the two items for the both of them, it costs 10 cents. The two things are not the same. Okay, so I want you to look. And I'll give you a few minutes, Corwin. Actually, a few seconds. So two items have to add up to 10 cents. Okay? Corwin says maybe the book and the pencil. I don't know. I'm going to write that up here. Okay, so let's see if that will add up to 10 cents. Okay, so let's see here. So we have 7 cents plus 3 cents equals something, right? So 7 cents plus 3 cents equals, what is 7 plus 3? Well, put 7 in your brain. Add 3 more. 7. So 7 plus 3 equals 10 cents. So let's see if it is a book and a pencil. Here's a book. And here is a pencil. So ding, 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 ding. So I had a book that cost 7 cents and a pencil that cost 3 cents. 7 plus 3 cents is 10 cents. Great job on that. And just an FYI, we will continue doing those type of similar problems. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and do our counting. Okay, so here we go. Let's count by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Evens. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great job. How about our odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And finally, counting by 100s. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Great job on that, friends. All right. Okay, let's look at today's pattern. Oh, look here. We have 61, 63, 65. So looking at our 100s chart, here's 61. Okay, and then it jumped to 63. So 1, 2. Okay, so that's 2. Then from 63, it went to 65. Okay, 1, 2. So we are counting by twos. So we're adding 2 to each number. All right, so if we have 61, 63, 65, let's add 2 to that number. So 65. What comes after 65? 66, 60, 67. Ding, 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 ding. Very good. All right. So let's keep going. So we have 61, 63, 65, 67, 69. Great job, friends. Okay. Let's go back. 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71. Very, very good. Great job on that, my friends. That was fantastic. All right. So let's go ahead and do our analog and digital clock really quickly. Digital clock reads 6:30 or 6:30. Analog reads 2:30. First things first, we have to match our analog to our digital. Remember, the shorthand is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. First things first, we have to locate 6 o'clock. Okay, so there is 6 o'clock. Now we have to get 6:30 o'clock. I want you to pay attention to the hour hand and see what happens when the minute hand is going around to 6:30 o'clock. There we are, 6:30 o'clock. What happened to the hour hand? Yep, the hour hand moved. So now the hour hand is between the 6 and the 7. 6:30 o'clock. Digital, 6:30 o'clock. Great job, my friends. All right, so in just a minute, we will meet for morning live. Make sure that you bring your force and motion dot to dots. Go ahead and bring both of those, my friends, okay? So I will see you in just a bit.